Welcome back to our channel, guys. In this video we're gonna see today how you can copy paste in YouTube videos and how you can make money $200 every day. Guys, it's very simple strategy. Everybody can earn in YouTube without making videos, without showing your face. Just copy paste, okay? Just copy paste the YouTube videos and you can make money, multiple your earnings every week, guys. Okay, this is a simple strategy, guys. Okay, let's follow the video so you will be getting all the details and you can start a channel immediately and you can make your earnings grow day by day, guys. Okay, guys, without any hesitation, let's get into the video. Okay, open your YouTube. I'll show you a sample channel. Okay, Mr. Winning Fun. This is a channel, guys. Okay, I'll show you right now. This is a channel. They are not making any videos. They are not showing the face, but just they are copying some other videos and just they are re-uploading in YouTube and they are making fun of it in YouTube, guys. Okay, this is the crazier ever. See here. Okay, best crashes and bad drivers of May. Okay, this is what and driver lessons in USA. See here, a lot of drivers lessons USA, Canada, bad drivers. Just they are copying some other video in YouTube. Okay, I'll show you how you can do this. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so just they're copying some other videos and pasting in their YouTube channel and they are making millions of dollars every year, guys. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. It's very simple. See the videos. Best of road rage 2022, best of close call 2022, a lot of videos. It's very simple. All the videos are copy pasted. Okay, just they are copy pasted and adding. Okay, this is a small channel. I'll show you right now. Okay, just 28 videos there, 40k subscribers available right now. Okay, so it's a new channel, but their earning is somewhat bigger, getting bigger than ever in every day, guys. Okay, so I'll show you how you can make money by like this in every step by step, guys. Okay, so right now we will check it. Mr. Winning Fund, this channel, how much they are earning, I'll show you, guys. Okay, with detailed proof I'll show you how much this channel is earning. Okay, once again, okay, just come YouTube socialblade.com. okay, here I'll show you how much this channel is earning. Mr. Winning Fund, this is a channel. Yes, go. Yes, this is a channel. It's a new channel, but still, yes, guys, this channel is not withdrawn any money yet now, but right now see here 9.96 million views in last 30 days. Okay, so this channel is not withdrawn any money yet, but the channel grown that much. See here 9.96 million views in last 30 days. Okay, so like this also you can make money. Okay, just copy paste your videos, copy paste somebody and you can make money, guys. Okay, I'll show you how you can do this, guys. It's very simple strategy. Right now we can check it how you can copy paste your videos, guys. Okay, so I'll show you that right now. Just you have to enter dash cam accidents or whatever it is, dash cam accidents, guys. Okay, so this kind of dash cam accidents or whatever is dash cam videos you can re-upload on YouTube and you can make millions of dollars, guys. Okay, I'll show you. This kind of accidentals, okay, happen in North America and close calls, surprise on Indian roads. A lot of things. Car crash. And see here, my car accident caught on the dash cam, like that. A lot of videos. These all things you can re-upload and you can make millions of dollars, guys. Okay, I'll show you how you can see here. The standard YouTube license remains. YouTube already told, okay, these kind of videos you can re-upload and you can make money. Okay, see here, by making your original video with a creative content license, you are right to reuse, edit the video. Okay, you are right to videos. Okay, by Creative Commons license. Okay, so that videos and all you can reuse and you can earn much money, guys. Okay, so this kind of things is simple, easy, guys. Okay, so come back. Example, I'll open this video. This video has 60%. Yes, this kind of videos, these videos have 65k views 3 days ago. It's uploaded and I'll show you. This you have to download this download this video. Okay, in YouTube, you first of all you should download the video. I'll show you step by step how you can do this, guys. Okay, just wait. Yes guys, first of all you should choose a video, okay, which video you want to re-upload and you can make millions of dollars. You can choose it, first of all you can choose any one video, okay, which is giving some surprise of accidental or whatever the crash compilation. So whatever it is, you can just download any video, okay, like this. If I'm Sheik is 9.1 million, this is there 1 year ago, this is downloaded. You can download this video first of all, okay, just download it with any other external softwares or any other things. You can download it first of all. Then after downloading, just using Canva, I'll show you right now how you can edit the video, okay, using Canva app. It's very simple, guys, okay. By downloading this Canva app, you can edit the video, okay, just you can make some strategy with video, okay. Why? Because you have to do some change, okay. But for like if you wanna be your video, that video you should do a change, like a smiley, like your channel name or whatever it is. You can make this Canva, okay. If not, you can open with this like this like Pixart also, you can use it, okay. You can edit a little bit and you can re-upload it. That's it, guys, okay. First of all you need to download a video. That's it. You need to download a video, okay, from this dashcam, okay, dashcam accidents or any other like dashcam videos. You can download it and you can edit with Canva or any Pixart or whatever it is, any software. Then you can create a channel and upload it, okay. But uploading, you should give the content very good, okay, like crazy accidents in Australia, in North America, and great escapes from accident, like that. You should choose a path, okay. Then only you can able to reach the views, okay. So after that you should give some good tag, okay. So I'll show you how you can make the tag and all, okay. So just first of all how you can get good tags and all, I'll show you right now. So first of all yes, open that rapid tags, okay. This is the rapid tags generator, okay. Here you can edit your YouTube video YouTube heading, okay, like crazy accidents. Example, I'll show you crazy accidents. If you search it, you will be getting a lot of keyword, okay, like car accident 2020. So you can just click on copy option and you can paste it in your tag, okay. That's it. Then you can download it and you can earn millions of money like this, guys, okay. See here, 9.1 millions of views is available for this video, okay. Like that you can earn. Just simple strategy, guys, okay. Like 3 steps. Step 1 is you should download the video with any external software. Then step 2 is you have to edit the video with Canva or any other Pixart or whatever it is. Then the step 3 is just uploading. That's it, guys, okay. You can earn millions of money like this in these videos, guys, okay. It's very simple strategy, guys, okay. So just start a YouTube channel today and make millions of money within 1 year of your growing together, guys, okay. So that much of good thing is happening in people's lives. You can change your financial freedom life, guys, okay. So don't miss it. Just start a channel today itself and make money with great ideas, guys, okay. I hope you like this video, guys. Thank you so much.